Hello children. Till yesterday, we have completed our science lesson number 1 explanation. I told you to observe plants from your window or balcony. But along with that, I think you are doing some other activities also, like drawing, doing craft, watching videos, then listening to stories, reading stories, etc. Children, I am very happy that you are enjoying your day. But reading you must do every day because it is very good for you. It is necessary for you. When I explain the lesson, I'll explain it once, but that is not enough. Reading a lesson is very much necessary. So today we are going to read our lesson. Okay, let us start with it today. Science, lesson number 1, plants around us. See children, this is your textbook, Science Ahead book. You are going to use this whole year. Okay. Now this is your book's first page. Page number 1, lesson number 1, plants around us. In pink box, it is written what will be there after the lesson. What will you understand? Okay. Recognize that plants are of different sizes. Name and describe some plants and explain that plants grow in different places. So you will be able to know this, okay, after the lesson, which we have already done. Now first, types of plants. Look at the picture of a garden. Can you see small plants? Write S on them. Can you see big plants? Write B on them. Now children, when you will get your books, you are going to do this. I know today you do not have your books. But when you will get your books, at that time you will write S on small plants and B on big plants with pencil. Okay. Now let us go to next page. Page number 2. Some plants are tall and strong. They are called trees. Mango tree, coconut tree. These trees we have seen in earlier videos. Third one is Gulmohar tree. Gulmohar tree is a big huge tree with red bright flowers. You can see this tree everywhere around you, along the roadside also. Okay, Gulmohar tree. Some plants are small. They are grass, mint, rose plant, wheat, and sunflower. Now, mint and rose plant we have seen. Herbs and shrubs, correct? Children, here herbs and shrubs is not mentioned, but you should know about it, correct? So, as a teacher, I gave you that extra information. Now, grass. Grass is a small plant. When you go to the garden, you walk on the lawn, correct? That lawn is nothing but grass. It is very soft to touch. So you enjoy walking on that grass, correct? So this is grass plant. Then next is wheat plant. Wheat is a plant which is the cereal. Say children, in our food or day-to-day diet, we use so many food ingredients like pulses, cereals, oil seeds, etc. Now pulses means all dal and cereals means the seeds which we use to make bhakri, chapati, then rice, etc. Okay. So wheat in Marathi it is known as gahu. गव्हाचं झाड आहे हे आणि हे गहू असतात ना त्याचे ते सीड्स त्या आपण वापरतो. द सीड्स, wheat seeds we use to grind to get flour. ओके, ते गहू असतात ना, ते दळून त्याचं पीठ केलं जातं. इट इज नोन ॲज आटा. दॅट आटा इज यूज टू मेक dough for chapatis. Your mama uses rolling board and rolling pin म्हणजे पोळपाट लाटणं, and she makes chapatis on that. And when she gives you that garma garam chapati, oh, you like to eat, correct? So it is made from wheat. Next is sunflower. It is a plant which seeds we use to get oil. Sunflower oil we used to use in our food preparation to cook it, okay, to fry also. Now in this box it is written that children have to go to the garden and observe the plants. But now, as we have locked in our houses, we are staying home, we can't go down and see the garden, correct? So as I told you at the time of videos also, you can see the plants from your window or balcony. Now let us go to next page. Page number 3. Some plants are weak. They cannot stand on their own. They need a support to climb up. They are called climbers. Money plant, grapevine, pea plant we have seen in our videos. Last one is paper plant. See now, it is not paper. Paper means which you use to read or to write. This is paper. Pepper plant means a spice. Spice म्हणजे मसाला. मसाला जो आई वापरते ना आपल्या कुकिंगमध्ये, that is known as spice. And this is one of the spices. There are so many, but pepper plant is a climber and it is a spice. Pepper in Marathi it is known as miri. Those are small, round, black color seeds. You eat those seeds in pulao or biryani. Okay. So these are pepper seeds and this is pepper plant. This is a climber plant. Now let us go to next. Some plants grow along the ground. They are called creepers. Muskmelon, pumpkin are creepers. Now I have shown you in the video watermelon and pumpkin and so many. But this is muskmelon. Muskmelon means in Marathi it is known as kharboos. This fruit is orange from inside. When it is ripe fruit, it is orange and it is sweet to taste. Good for our health also. So it is muskmelon. Both are creepers. Some plants grow in water. Water lily, lotus, seaweed. These plants grow in water. These are aquatic plants. We have seen these plants in our video. Now let us go to next page. Page number 4. In this page, what is written? Let us see. Some plants like the cactus grow in hot places where there is very little water. Now we have seen cactus plants, correct? And plants growing in hot places. Some plants grow in very cold places up in the mountains like pine and fir tree. Children, these plants also we have seen in our videos if you remember. Now below that in orange box there are 2 questions. We have to discuss those. First one is, can a water lily grow in a place where a cactus grows? No. As you know, all of you know it. I have discussed it in the videos. All of you know that cactus plants grow in hot area where there is very little water. And the water lily plant needs lots of water to grow. So water lily cannot grow in the hot area. Now, second question, name a plant that can grow in cold places. This you can answer to your parents orally. No need to write anything. Just tell those names to your parents, okay? Because we have discussed this and we have seen in the video. Now, below that, the points are given which we have learned till now. Plants are of different sizes. Trees are tall and strong plants. Climbers and creepers are weak plants, and plants grow in different places. So that's all for today. Children, now whenever you will get your books, you are going to read this lesson again and again so that you can understand it well and you can learn the words when I will give you in written form. Not now, but just keep on reading the lesson. Okay, that is all for today. Take care, stay healthy, stay home, and bye bye.